Welcome to our CDEP News. Today we are going to talk about the contributions of chemistry in other subjects. First of all, we are going to talk about the contribution of chemistry in medicine. Our partner Pia is going to talk about that. Thank you.
Thank you, Edgar. Chemistry is a huge part of medicine, both as a diagnostic and treatment tool. Thanks to chemistry, we have many advances in the medicine nowadays. Now we're going back to the main set with Edgar.
Thank you, Pia, for your information. Now we're going to talk about chemistry and its contribution on food. The specialist, Luis, is going to talk about that. Thank you.
Edgar. Now we're going to talk about the chemical application in food. Food undergoes many chemical applications, such as the use of fertilizers and other chemicals in the growth of fruits and vegetables. Other application of chemistry will be the synthetic food that is made by human processes, such as restaurant foods. Thank you. Now we're going to go to the stage with Edgar.
Thank you, Luis. Your information was so useful. Now we're going to talk about the chemistry in warfare. Our specialist, Daniel Eliseo, is going to talk about that, and you have to pay a lot of attention to understand this topic because this is not so easy to understand. Thank you.
Thanks, Edgar. Chemical warfare involves using the toxic properties of chemical substances as weapons. This type of warfare is distinct from nuclear and biological warfare, which together make up in NBC. All which are considered weapons of mass destruction. Chemical weapons are not primarily due to an explosion force. The most dangerous chemical weapon used in World War I was the poison gas.
Now we're back on the set. We hope you understand the information of Daniel Eliseo. Now we're going to talk about chemistry and global warming with our specialist Lucinda. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Edgar. Human influence has been detected in warming of atmosphere and the ocean, in the global water cycle, in reductions in snow and ice, in global mean sea level rise, and in changes in some climate extremes. The current cycle of global warming is changing the realms of climate that are living things that have come to rely upon.
Gases have the ability to absorb radiation, leading to the tendency of the atmosphere to create warmer climates than would otherwise be the case. These gases have the ability to absorb infrared radiation are water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and ozone. Gases that absorb radiation can be fluorocarbons. It refers to an increase in Earth's mean global temperature because a part of Earth's outgoing infrared radiation is retained by several trace gases in atmosphere whose concentrations have been increasing because of human industrial, commercial, and agricultural activities. Now we're going back to the main set with Edgar.
We're going to talk about the three solutions I mentioned you. The first one is to reduce the emission from deforestation and forest degradation, and by making our food production practices more sustainable. The second one is boosting energy efficiency. Energy efficiency technologies allow us to use less energy to get the same or higher level of production, service, and comfort. This saves both money and energy. The solution is to improve the efficiency in all modes of transportation, switching them into low carbon fuel. This is going to help a lot because this is going to make to use less fuel, and also it's going to help in our environment. We hope you enjoyed this news. We see you the next week, and have a nice day. Thank you.